Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to actually uh, do assertions on JMeter. So basically, from the earlier video, I created how to use variables. So I'm just going to use the same endpoints. So basically, I'll just come to my thread group. Let's say I want to create assertions for my create booking endpoint. So I'll just add assertions. I can add the response assertion. So let's say I want to assert the response should be 200. Uh, this endpoint for creating a booking. So basically, you just come to if I want for the response code to be 200, I can come here response code, add for it to be 200. So you just come here and write that. I'm gonna save that. Also, if you want to check the results, you need to create a listener for assertions. So let's come to my that group, add a listener, and add an assertion results. So basically, this one will be showing my assertions. So I can just run this. Yep. So it was successful. My assertion was successful. If I check the result tree, let me clear this, run again. It was actually successful, and on my assertion results, they were successful. So let's say if if I put 400 instead of 200, since actually this is a, if I put 400 here, then save. Let me clear these results, run it again. So as you can see, test failed, code expected to contain 400, but it actually contained a 200 since it's a 200 endpoint that should return a 200. So I'll just go back here, change it to 200. So that's how you can basically validate for the response code. So let's say I want to validate this output. So I can add another assertions. So I can just come here. Let me save this first. Come here on thread group, add where is it? Assertions. I can add a JSON assertion. So I can put the path of where like I want it to be. So usually you do with a dollar sign. So it should be, let's say I want to validate first name should have Jim. So I can the dollar sign, then booking dot first name, and the expected value should be Jim. Let me first check my what I'm passing on my header. I'm passing Jim with double M. So just come here response. JSON actually I created in the wrong one, but let me drag this, see if it will work. So I'll just put it there. So for booking dot first name Jim, then I'll save that, go to my assertion results, clear that one, run it again. So it says illegal character JSON assertion. So let's go to the JSON assertion. Let me remove this and do it again. Remove, yes. Add assertions, JSON assertion. So I can add the path dollar sign booking first name, then it should be gym. So let me save that, clear that, run it again. So it's saying illegal character, position unexpected dot. Oh yeah, so let me add the dot here. Save it. Assertions, clear, run it. Yep, successful. So basically that's how you can write assertions on JMeter. So for the response and also for the JSON, that if you have a JSON result, if you have a JSON response, example for my endpoint, I'm getting a JSON response. So that's how you add assertions. Please subscribe, guys.